Track 1.15, Unit 1, CLIL, Exercise 2.
There are 6 colours on a colour wheel. Red, yellow and blue are primary colours. Between these colours on the colour wheel are secondary colours. These are orange, green and purple. 2 primary colours make a secondary colour. Red and yellow make orange. There are warm colours and cool colours on the colour wheel. Red, orange and yellow are warm colours. Green, blue and purple are cool colours. Every colour has got a complementary colour. Complementary colours are 1 warm colour and 1 cool colour, like red and green, orange and blue, or yellow and purple. There is a contrast when 2 complementary colours are next to each other in a picture.